Morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, what do we have today? A very simple solved form equation. Now, we ask to say, given that 128 plus 18, that's root 128 plus root 18 minus root k is equals to 7 root 2. Find the value of k. Now, in this kind of question, how do you solve it? The first thing you do, break down these roots that you have here. These square roots that you have here, break this down. Then add k to root k to both sides. Okay, let's do it step by step. So the first thing, root 128 is the same thing as root 64 times 2, which is the same thing as square root of 64 is 8. So that's 8 root 2. Break them down individually. Now root 18 is the same thing as root 9 times 2. Now I split it to a number I can take the square root. Even though 6 times 3 can give me 18, but I cannot use 6 and 3 because I cannot take the square root of 6 or 3. So I must look for that number whereby I can take the square root of one of them and I split it with it. So this becomes square root of 9 is 3, as 3 root 2. So I replace this. So this becomes root 128, I split it, is 8 root 2. So this is 8 root 2 plus root 18 is 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 minus root k is equals to 7 root 2. Now, add k to both sides. Take this k to this side, add k to both sides. Then bring this root 7 root 2 to this other left-hand side of the equation. So that becomes 8 root 2 plus 3 root 2 minus 7 root 2 is equals to root k. Now, the next thing I'll do, since I have root 2, root 2, root 2, I can simplify it. So this becomes 8 plus 3 minus 7 root 2 is equals to root k. Now, 8 plus 3, that's 11. 11 minus 7, that's 4. That's 4 root 2 is equals to root k. Now, we asked to find the value of k. What is disturbing k? Square root sign. To remove the square root sign, I introduce square. I square both sides. So this, take the square of both sides. So square will cancel square root. So 4 square is what? 16. So this is 16. Now look at this square here. We cancel this square. This is 4 raised to the power of 2. Root 2 raised to the power of 2. Square will cancel square root. So that becomes times 2 is equals to k. So our k is equals to 16 times 2 is 32. So the value of k is 32. I hope you have learned something very important. If you follow through the process, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new content on the channel drops. Of course, we are dropping daily content, so turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on those wonderful content. To meet again in the next Making Maths Class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.